Okay, it's Temptations time. Let's see who all come over. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come here. There's Salisa, Haven, Elysian. Here's Serena. Here we go. Just sprinkling all over them. Here, Misty. There's Mistiera, my fuzzball. Here's Elysian. Miracle, don't you want some? Miracle's not. Come on, Miracle. Miracle. You're not going to partake? Anyway. Okay, Tuxie. I'm going to get you some. Tuxie don't want to eat with the other, so he's going to eat back here. And okay, here's the stocking. Look. Look, y'all. Look, okay. Jangle bow. Rattle bow. Look, I'm going to pour out the stocking. They'd be more disinterested. Look at it. Look at there, Elysian. Only the young cats are going to be interested. I don't know why they put the big stuff in here, because nobody's interested. But Elysian loves puffballs. Here, Lissy. Oh, knock the lamp over. I'm trying to get light on the situation. Here, Lissy. Here. Elysian. Here's a sparkle ball. He loves sparkle balls. Look at here, Lissy. Here. Tuxie. Tuxie, come over here. We never see you in a video. Oh, here's the catnip. That might be interesting. Catnip. I'm going to throw the catnip at Grammoo. She's going to open it. I forgot to open that. That might make these toys more interesting. Here's Epiphany. Elysian's found the Temptations. They don't seem as interested as here's a feather toy. I know what they're going to love. This. Here we go. Here we go. Here's Epiphany. Come over here, Bajoko. Bajoko. Come on, No, just give it to me. I'm going to let them smell of it first. Look at there. Catnip. I don't know why Miracle's not coming down to participate. Miracle, I got you some teas. Miracle. Miracle. Miracle.
Hey, man, I ain't got nothing.
Miracle, they want to see you, Miracle. Miracle.
Don't get her there.
Miracle, don't you want to be in the video? He says, I make enough videos. Okay. Here's your puffball. Puffball. Here, everybody get a good... If I put these balls in this nip, there we go. Here is Bajoko. We rarely get to see Bajoko. He's my second oldest kitty. He always come over for some Temptations. He is was once a feral cat outside, and I tamed him and brought him inside. And I had some squeeze ups, but I don't know where they went. And here. But we get to see Bajoko. Bajoko, do you want to see the feather toy? Bajoko? He says, I'm too old to... Come on, Haven. Oh, you smell catnip, bee? Mr. Bajoko. Tuxie. Yeah, we hear Tuxie. Oh, Serena. Come here, Serena. Let's see Serena. Here's Serena. I was hoping Salisa would come over, but he's not. Uh-oh. Do you like it nip, Serena? Look at there. Anyway. And here's Mistiera. Come here, Tuxie. Let's get you on camera. Come on, Tuxie. Here's Tuxie. He's smelling the catnip. Oh, he's tearing up that, ain't you, Lucy? Oh, do you like that, Tuxie? Anyway, I was hoping Salsa would come over, but no. But anyway, the cats are enjoying their gifts, sort of. And Merry Christmas, everyone.